If dust, odors, or outside pollution are making their way into your vehicle, the solution often starts with the cabin air filter. This ACDelco GM original equipment cabin air filter is engineered to restore clean, fresh airflow inside your vehicle, helping protect both your comfort and your health every time you drive. Designed with long fiber non-woven filtration media, this filter effectively captures fine particles while still allowing strong, consistent airflow through the ventilation system. Its advanced multi-layered construction creates separated filtration zones that trap dust, pollen, fumes, smoke, and other airborne contaminants before they can enter the cabin. This balance of high filtration efficiency and airflow helps your HVAC system perform as intended. Beyond comfort, this filter also supports a healthier interior environment. By removing most airborne allergens and particles, it helps reduce the buildup of bacteria and mold inside the ventilation system, which can be a common source of unpleasant vehicle odors over time. Replacing a worn or missing filter can make a dramatic difference, especially in older vehicles that were not originally equipped with one. As a GM recommended replacement part, this cabin air filter is manufactured to meet the same standards as the original factory component. It is designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous specifications and backed by General Motors. You can expect the same performance, durability, and service life you would from an original part installed at the factory. This filter is specifically designed for GM vehicles, including Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac models, and reflects the ongoing updates GM makes to integrate new materials and technologies. Some ACDelco GM original equipment parts may have previously appeared as GM Genuine Parts or ACDelco Professional, continuing the same commitment to quality. Installation may require a simple cutting step depending on the vehicle, but once installed, the improvement in interior air quality is immediate and noticeable. Backed by the trusted name of ACDelco, this cabin air filter is a small upgrade that delivers big benefits. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase today, and subscribe to the channel to discover more genuine OEM solutions that keep your vehicle clean, comfortable, and enjoyable to drive.